how to simplify your life and live it with intention.
Hey Mina Venner, it's Heather with Tidy Life, and I've got 7 tips for you. My second tip is to declutter your possessions. This is your opportunity to curate your life and really let go of what's holding you back. Keep your life vision in the front of your mind as you declutter. If you haven't already identified your life vision, check out my tip number 1 video in the link above. Now, to simplify the process, I recommend using the KonMari method. What that means is that you should declutter and tidy by category, not by room. And you should only declutter those items that you have ownership of. There are 5 general categories in the KonMari method, and they should be completed in the following order from easiest to most difficult: clothing, books, papers, kimono, which is Japanese for miscellaneous or everything else, and sentimental. Take each category one at a time. Gather all like items together and handle each item one by one. Focus on what to keep. Do you love it? Do you use it? Does it improve the quality of your life? Does it help you reach your life vision? If the answer is yes, place it in the keep pile. If the answer is no, you can thank the item for its usefulness and then place it in the discard or donate pile. Remember to drop off those donations right away. Be intentional with what you choose to keep in your life, and don't be afraid to let go of the stuff that's holding you back. Your intentional life has begun. Thanks everyone. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at TidyLifeGot. See you next time for tip number 3.